Team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to of my canal. Listen, make good use of the opportunity when you have it. Especially right now when the kids are on holiday, they are home. And when the kids are home, it's very hard for you to film videos. Hopefully when the schools are opened next week, and the kids they're back in school, I will have more time to film more videos because then the house is quiet. When the kids are at home, it's so hard to film. So when I do have opportunity like this, when they're like outside for just 1 hour, I will make use of the opportunity and film all the videos that I need to film that day. So at least I can just get those videos out because I have this product sitting here for a while now and I still haven't gotten the time to come and just do video because of all the noise in the house. So if you guys have followed me on Instagram, you guys have definitely see one of this item on Instagram because I couldn't wait for me to have time to film this video before ever putting this product on, because I really wanted to put the shoe on and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna put it on, and whenever the house is quiet, it's peaceful, I will come and film videos. So you guys watched my last video about these beautiful heels that I purchased from Zalando, but the shoe ended up not coming out the way it's supposed to be. It was not like there was in the process of making, there was something went missing. Okay, the person maybe cut too short or cut too long. I don't know what happened, but I end up returning the shoe because I didn't really like it. It wasn't fitting properly. So I end up returning it. So, and then once I returned it, I picked up 2 different shoes because I was like, I couldn't find anything I want for this event. And there's only these 2 shoes remain. Let me just pick these 2 shoes up. If I don't like it, I return it. But at least I have something. Maybe I will like it. So at least I have something than just leaving it and don't have anything. So I end up picking up in 2 shoes. So I've already opened this one box. So this is one of the box, okay? I've already opened this. I've already wear this shoe. I really like this. Actually a sandal. This is a sandal. I really like it. So this is what the sandal looks like. It has this really nice glitter stone. I've already wear this. I'm actually planning to wear this one also tomorrow. So yeah, you guys are gonna see more videos, another picture of the same shoe. So this is what it looks like. It's very beautiful. I love the heels. I love the fact that it has this V shape heels. I really love it. The heel is very like just normal size heel to work with, not like super flat. I've already put it on. I think I didn't show you guys. I think I didn't do a video of me showing you how it looks like on me, but I will definitely do a quick try on haul and put it here so you guys can see what it looks like on me. But I really loved it. How much did I pick this up? I can't remember right now, honestly speaking, but I will leave the link for you guys in the description box. I'll also put the price here so you guys if you are interested, go and check it out. So this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's like a really beautiful heels. I love the stones. It's very beautiful. It's really nice. If you can follow me on Instagram, you definitely see a picture of this one. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. So let me just put it here. I'm going to wear this tomorrow as well, so there's no need for me to pack it in. So the other one that I picked up for in case, because I picked this one up and I picked another one up for in case I don't like one, I can return it. But I end up loving this one. This one, I haven't really gotten a chance to open it to see what is inside. So yeah, so we're gonna do like a first impression open. Ooh, so this is what this one look like. This is the box. This is from just I'm so bad at pronouncing stuff. So when you open, this is what it looks like. This is the receipts. That's how much I picked it up for. And let's open. So both of them are size 41. You guys know I love my foot. I do wear size 40, but I just love a little bit of comfort, so I picked up size 41. So this is what this one look like. This is so beautiful. Like, I love the heels. I love the design of the heels. I haven't really wear this one yet, so this one is going underneath my bed. That immediately as I'm done here, I'm putting it underneath the bed, and whenever I'm ready to wear it, you guys will definitely see pictures, or will see a video. You know what? I have so many dresses. I feel like having something like this is it's must have. Something with glitter. This is so beautiful. This is nice. I really love it. Where's the other one? No, it's supposed to be like this. So this is just a quick unboxing. This is nothing fancy. Just me coming here and show you guys quickly, because I really want to just get this video out before these beautiful angels of mine comes back home and just disturb, make noise. So we're gonna wrap this video very quickly. So this is what this one look like. It's very beautiful. It's really nice. I loved it. So I'm going to put this one on for you guys and show you what it also looks like. I think I'm just gonna do that very quickly. Put the camera down and show you guys what it looks like. But I really loved it. It's very beautiful. It's really nice. I love the bling. I don't know, like I'm just in love with both of the shoes. I'm just in love with both. I do have a boot that have like this blings, these stones. I do have that boot. I think I never did a video on that boot, but one day when I'm doing like styling video, I will show you guys that boot. I think that boot I've also wear it like once or twice, and it's just underneath the bed lying down somewhere. So yeah, but I really don't have anything like black with some stones. So I'm really happy to have these two in my shoe collection. I'm really happy. Do you guys remember I told you about this? Was this white boot on Zalando that I have been having on my wish list for God know when? Do you guys remember I told you guys about that? I'm like, I'm not gonna buy any boots anymore. That's the only white boot and I want to buy. When I have that white boot, I'm done. No, I don't want to say I'm done. No. For this year, okay, let's just say for 2022. Oh my god. If my friend sees this video, she's gonna be like, oh ma, you're addicted. Oh. She's always saying, I mean, you're addicted to shopping. I'm like, for this year, okay, let's just say this year, the year is almost finished. We're in September, October, November, December. So let's just say I'm going to get that boot. I've already got it. It's on its way coming. So let me not just come and be forming here. Let me not just come and be lying to you guys. I've already got the boot. Because I couldn't wait anymore. I was like, Zalando, what you do? You don't want to put the price down. You people don't want to have my size. And luckily, this night, for no reason, I wake up at night around 3 o'clock. I slept very early. I wake up around 2 o'clock in the morning and I couldn't sleep anymore. I was like, let me just scroll internet. I played some Candy Crush. I went through TikTok. I'm like, let me just check Zalando. I checked Zalando, Omo. They have my size. They didn't have my size, the size that I wanted, but they had size 40. I was like, Jesus, this is a revelation. This is a sign that if I don't get this shoe now, they will not have it. Because since I put this shoe on my wish list, they haven't having size 40 or 41. It's been almost half a year now. They don't have those two sizes. And the price is just there. So when I wake up at 3 o'clock, I saw that they had size 41. And the price is still the same. Or the price did not go up, did not come down. And I was like, you know what? I have only one life to live. Yeah? This money you are keeping. You will die and leave this money here. They have size 40. I want size 41, but they have size 40. Let me just get it and have peace of mind. So I got it. It's going to be here anytime of this week. That boot is going to be here. I pray that it just fits me. Size 41 just look good. Even though size 40 is my size, I prefer buying size 41. I just pray it fits. Because sometimes there are certain brands, when it comes to boots, certain brands, their sizes are either small or big. I pray to God this one fits me. So now that I've gotten this boot, I'm not going to buy any boots this year. For this year, I'm done with buying boots. No boots anymore. Even shoe. No, I don't want, no. For boots, I'm done with buying boots because I feel like I have enough black, white boots. I'm done buying boots this year. No more boots this year. Next year, again, another chapter. But this year, I'm done buying boots. So yeah, I'm so excited for that boot to come. I've been eyeing these boots. I've been having these boots in my wish list more than half year. This is the longest in my life that I have had a shoe in my wish list on Zalando. I have been shopping on Zalando since 2010 till now. This is the longest I have waited for a shoe for them to have my size. So when I finally wake up that morning and I saw the shoe, I just had to pick it up. So yeah, Team Fullest, that was it. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So no more boots this year. I'm tired of even buying. No, I'm not tired. No more boots. No more boots this year. The video is just all over the place. I'm just so excited. My friend is going to cuss me out if she's come across this video. That girl, she's going to finish me with her mouth. But anyway, I'll take the insults. No problem. Even an insult, it will come here and pass here. But anyway, I'm super excited. So I'm going to show you guys what these shoes look on me. We're just going to do a quick try on haul. Quick one. We're going to go a quick try on haul. I'll show you what it looks like. And I have one more boots that I want to share with you guys. Not that boots that I got, not the white one. I bought this green boots. That one has been standing there for God for 2 weeks now. I think more than 2 weeks now since I got it. But I haven't really gotten the chance to wear it. But I have somewhere to go where I'm going to wear that boots. And I'll definitely come back and do an unboxing. But for now, let me just show you guys what this one looks on me. This is my game. Let's just I'm going to put the camera down, so I don't want to cut this video. I just want to continue with this one go video. Let's put the camera down. Can we go down? Okay, let me remove this microphone because I feel like the thing is going to be on the way. Put the camera down to my feet. Can you guys see me? Okay, remove my shoes. Let me test for you guys both of this. I really, excuse the fact that my foot is so dry right now. I have so much plants in my house that I don't have a space for these plants anymore. I don't have space. I don't have somewhere to put this plant. So that's why it's standing there. Just ignore it. Even my kids, my daughter, my oldest daughter, she's complaining like, Mama, why do you keep buying plants when you don't have space? I'm like, shut up. But you know, she's just like me. She'll always give her opinion, even if you tell her to shut up. So this is what this one looked like. Like, I really loved it. I really and it feels so comfortable when you're walking outside. It's really comfortable. I love the heels. I love just how it walks. I just love it. It's beautiful. It's nice. Let me just put my shoes close down. So this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. I love it. And yeah, I'm just super excited for this one. I'm really excited. Can you guys see? I'm super excited. So now let's try the other one, okay? We try this one. Let's try this one. This is one I haven't actually tried. This is okay. Oh, look at how white my foot is. But anyway, it's just try on. If I'm going out, I'm definitely going to moisturize my foot. But for now, wow, this is beautiful, guys. It's a little bit it's size 41. Okay, normally my normal size is size 40, so it's a little bit loose this side, but I don't mind. It's much better loose than tight. I love it. This is beautiful, guys. This is so nice. I really love it. This is so comfortable. I love it's comfortable. It's very comfortable on walking in. Wow. I will put all the links for you guys in the description box, so please check the description box if you guys are interested. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy to have something like this. And then for those days that you want to go out, you want to look more classy, you want to go for dinner, you want to just anything. It's not for just one particular event that makes me buy this shoe, but also for other occasions, you know. So yeah, this is it. This is what both of them look like. I really like it. Team Fullest, thank you all so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. And yeah, I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.